Orion Tuner Electronics brings you a plug-and-play fuel pump relay setup for your 92 to 2000 Acura Integra and Honda Civic. This is an easy plug-and-play system that I will be going over the directions with you shortly. First, go about removing the rear seat, bolted down by a 10mm bolt in the location seen in the picture. After removing the seat, remove the 4 Phillips head screws covering the fuel pump. In the picture you see, remove the harness connector plugged up to the fuel pump. This is a picture of the connector removed for the power and ground for the fuel pump. The male connector on the fuel pump relay kit plugs directly into where you unplug the factory connector from. Then the other end, the female end of the fuel pump relay kit plugs directly up to the connector that you disconnected from the fuel pump. The 2 lead wires shown in the picture, red for power and black for ground, goes directly to the battery.